Hello, and welcome to this episode of our 5-Minute Farm Doc series, brought to you by the Farm Doc team at the University of Illinois. I'm Nick Paulson, and today we're discussing our revised crop budgets for 2025, as well as updates to our projections for returns to corn and soybean production in Illinois for 2024. The 2025 crop budgets, initially released in September, have been updated to reflect price levels consistent with recent market activity and expectations for the upcoming year. The 2025 corn price has been adjusted to $4.30 per bushel, up by 5 cents, while soybeans have been adjusted down 5 cents per bushel to $10.20. This results in projected corn returns improving by $10 to $15 per acre, while soybean returns have dropped by $3 to $4 per acre. Return projections for both corn and soybeans remain negative for cash-rented farmland situations across all Illinois regions, which include northern, central, and southern Illinois. If these updated projections play out, it would mark 3 consecutive years of negative average returns to cash-rented farmland from 2023 to 2025. These negative return projections are due to low corn and soybean prices relative to the high production costs producers are expected to continue to face. Let's talk about break-even prices implied by those high production costs, assuming a typical growing season and trend yields occur in 2025. Corn prices in the range of $3.17 to $3.66 per bushel are needed to cover non-land costs, while corn prices need to be $4.60 to $4.66 to cover total costs, which include non-land costs and average cash rent levels by region. For soybeans, the range is $6.53 to $8.38 per bushel for non-land costs, and $11.01 to $11.56 per bushel for total costs. Again, current price projections fall short of break-even levels to cover total costs for both corn and soybeans across all regions of Illinois for 2025. Our budget update also included some relatively good news in terms of revisions to our projections for the 2024 crop season. While return projections remain negative for 2024, they have improved from the last update in September. The corn price for 2024 was increased to $4.25 per bushel, up 15 cents from $4.10, while the soybean price was reduced from $10.50 to $10.20 per bushel. In addition, our projections now include estimates of the economic assistance payments that will be made from the American Relief Act of 2025. These are expected to add around $43 per acre for corn and $30 per acre for soybeans, and are intended to help offset some of the losses associated with the 2024 crop year. While the economic assistance payments provide welcome financial relief in the short term, keep in mind that these payments will not address the ongoing issue of production costs being misaligned with current market prices. In summary, while projections for both 2024 and 2025 have improved compared with where we stood in September, average returns for producers on cash-rented farmland are expected to remain negative. Producers should remain diligent in trying to identify ways to lower production costs and manage their risk during this multi-year period of extremely tight and challenging margins. Thanks for tuning in to this edition of our 5-Minute Farm Doc series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit farmdocdaily.illinois.edu to make sure you receive information and tools to help support your farm business. Until next time, I'm Nick Paulson from the Farm Doc team at the University of Illinois.